Hi everybody, we're using the Ninja Possible cooker today and we're going to be making honey garlic chicken in it. I pulled out chicken thighs and chicken breasts, so we're going to give them both a whirl in here and see how they come out. So I have all the ingredients that I need. I got oyster sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, honey, a little bit of ketchup, fresh ginger. You can use the paste if you want. I just have fresh. Garlic, red pepper flakes, and we're going to throw in a little bit of water. So, oh, and the chicken. Chicken's back here. Here's the chicken. All right, so to get this recipe started, I did I peeled probably like a 2-inch piece of ginger. You can add as much ginger, as little ginger as you want. I mean, don't go overboard or crazy. I'm also going to add a hunk of garlic. This is the elephant garlic. It's starting to go bad, so I'm going to see what I can salvage out of there. So that's what I'm adding. You guys can put in what you want. I do wish I had a microplaner for the ginger. I don't have one yet. So I got to order one off Amazon because there's no home goods or anything up here. So we're just going to chop this up as small as we can get it here. And you can use the paste. I don't know if you guys seen that in the produce section. They have like a ginger and a garlic paste. So feel free to use those. Use whatever you have. Wow, this smells really good, guys. So, just in case you missed the garlic, I'm just doing the garlic the old-fashioned way because I don't have a mincer and I wanted to use fresh for this recipe. I'm just going to add the garlic and ginger to this bowl. Like I said, I'm limited up here in bowls and stuff that I have. So just use whatever you have. Okay. All right, next up. And FYI, I got the low sodium soy sauce. So I'm going to add a half a cup of soy sauce. Maybe a little bit more. And about 1/3 cup ketchup. We're just eyeballing it here. There we go. And like a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more of sesame oil. We're going to add some dark soy sauce. Maybe like 1 or 2 tablespoons of that. And like a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Ooh, be careful with that. And then honey, we're going to do 1/3 cup honey. Actually, I'm going to take this right off. There we go. Perfect. And look at this fancy dancy whisk I got. And we're just going to whisk this all together. Add no salt, trust me. All right. So there's 2 things that I forgot. I do want to add a little bit of rice wine vinegar, maybe like a tablespoon. And I want mine a bit spicy, so I'm adding this packet. Yeah, it's kind of wimpy there. Just to have a little bit of undertone of some heat. Not much. So I'm going to take this, we're going to add it to this over here. Add a little bit of that mixture in. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and add, I'm going to put the chicken thighs on the bottom because chicken thighs are more forgiving than chicken breast. I'm just going to put these in there. There we go. Take the rest of the mixture and pour it over. All right, there we go. Gonna put the cover on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to, we want high, so time, I'm gonna bring this down to 2 hours. We'll check it at 2 hours. We need to add more time, we will. And we're gonna hit start, and that's all there is to it. All right, so we have like 30 minutes left on the clock, and I just want to check it, because I already admit I did go in here and check. Make sure you be careful, because this is hot. All right, we're gonna, oops, my little microphone's going to the side here. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is done. So I'm gonna try to break it up with the tongs. See how it's just falling apart? Fantastic. Chicken breast will be more difficult. There we go. Yeah, this is done. It's falling apart. Look at this. Awesome. And it's going to absorb even more of that flavor, which is going to be really nice. I am going to take 3 tablespoons of water with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1. I'm just going to stir that up. Man. Oh yeah, that's lovely. All right, so I did make some rice on the stovetop, so I know you guys are like, what? But I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. We're going to serve this up and taste test it and see how it is. All right, everybody. So we chopped up a little green onion. We have toasted sesame seeds. We had to cook rice on the stovetop. I do need to get a rice cooker, and there might be one at Costco I might get. So this thickened up nice. We're going to have a mixture of, there's a lot of sauce here, which is awesome. I'm trying to make sure I get thigh in here too. I think that's thigh, but I'm not quite sure. All right, so here we go. Gonna take some of that green onion, just put that on top. A little heavy there. And of course, some sesame seeds. I love sesame. Look at that. I just hope it tastes good. This is the first time I'm making it, so I'm not very good with the chopsticks. Okay. The rice. Rice cooker's better. All right, this is chicken breast, I think. Right here. I can really taste the ginger. It's actually pretty good. This is good. It's not great. It needs something. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it. You taste the ginger, the dark soy sauce. It's okay. Will I be making this again? Yes, I'm just going to tweak it a bit. Add more red pepper flakes, definitely. So yeah. So thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.